Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account because you will change system-level protection. Open Chrome, click the three dots, then Settings. Once there, go to Safety Check or Privacy and Security. Make sure About Chrome shows the latest version so settings behave predictably. While you're in Settings, keep the browser open and avoid restarting. This preserves any unsaved forms. Once done, proceed directly to Site and Protection Controls to disable the built-in scanning features. Now navigate to Privacy and Security, then click Security. You will see Safe Browsing options. Switch off Enhanced Protection and set Safe Browsing to No Protection or Standard depending on options. You may be prompted with a confirmation dialog. Read it, then confirm because you are intentionally reducing browser scanning. Make sure any option labeled Protect You and your device is toggled off. Once these toggles are disabled, Chrome will stop its proactive URL and download scanning, but system antivirus may still intervene. Finish by restarting Chrome to ensure settings take effect, then try downloading a safe test file to verify Chrome's scanning is disabled. If you still see virus scan prompts, check your operating system antivirus or endpoint protection. Those tools run outside Chrome and must be adjusted separately. If anything behaves unexpectedly, re-enable Chrome Safe Browsing immediately and troubleshoot with antivirus logs. Make sure you don't leave your system exposed longer than necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.